Klipsch's reference line of speakers is all about premium components at a manageable price. The R10B fills the soundbar slot, and at $600 it does offer some very good audio performance. However, it also lacks a few features that we expect from a bar at this price. When we're talking about premium components, the subwoofer is really the crown jewel of the system. It's got a very heavy MDF enclosed cabinet, feels really solid. It's got an 8-inch side firing cone here, and it puts out a lot of power. It's very firm and full. Looking at the back panel, we see a little ported slot up here. It also has a volume control dial right here, and that's about it. It automatically wirelessly connects to the system, ready to go. The bar doesn't feel quite as premium. It's made out of plastic, it's a little bit light, but it is loaded with some very nice components. It's got two 3/4-inch tweeters mated to Klipsch's Tractrix horns, as well as two 3-inch polypropylene mid-range drivers. At the back are two inputs, including an RCA analog input and a digital optical input. But again, there's no HDMI, which is something we expect at this level. That means that it won't be able to decode the highest surround sound codecs, and it also won't be able to do ARC, which can seamlessly mate your TV remote to control both the soundbar and the TV. There's also no digital display on the front. There's only these two LED indicators for the source as well as the 3D DSP. At 4 inches tall, it's got a high profile, which means it's likely to block your IR sensor on your TV. And unlike a lot of bars at this price, it does not have an IR repeater to alleviate that issue. It does, however, have Bluetooth connection with AptX for CD quality sound from compatible mobile devices. And then there's the remote. Not a lot to look at, but it does include just about everything you need, including power, source, mute, volume controls, and 3D, which is the virtual surround sound DSP. A lot of those shortcomings can be forgiven, however, once you fire this baby up. It sounds pretty darn good. It's got good detail, although it's a little tight up top. It matches well with the sub, and it also has really good spatial separation for a bar of this size. It feels a lot bigger than it looks. Again, that subwoofer is powerful and it's firm. It's just a nice sound and adds a lot of depth.